Why investing matters. Imagine this. You save $10,000 and keep it in cash. 10 years later, it buys less. Much less. Inflation is invisible, but ruthless. It slowly eats your money while you sleep. Investing is the only way to fight back. Real-life example. In 1990, $1,000 could buy a powerful computer. Today, $1,000 buys a smartphone with more power than NASA had. If you don't invest, you are running a race against time with weights on your legs. And most people never realize they're losing money every year. Saving versus investing. Saving is parking your money. Investing is putting your money to work. Saving protects you from emergencies. Investing builds wealth. Example, Sarah saves $500 per month for 30 years. She ends with $180,000. Jake invests the same amount at 7% per year. He ends with over $600,000. Same money, different strategy. Saving is defense. Investing is offense. This one decision can triple your money. Risk explained. Without fear, people think investing equals gambling. It doesn't. Risk is simply uncertainty. Buying one stock is risky. Buying 500 companies through an index fund is much safer. Real-life analogy. If one tree dies in a forest, the forest still stands. Diversification is building a forest, not planting one tree. Downward trend short-term equals risky, upward trend long-term equals historically profitable. The biggest risk is actually not investing. Compound interest, the eighth wonder. Albert Einstein allegedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Example. Invest $100 per month at 7% for 40 years. You invest $48,000, you end with over $260,000. Your money earns money. Then your money earns money on the money. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, growing faster every second. The earlier you start, the less you have to invest. Beginner mistakes. How people get scammed. Mistake 1. Chasing. Get rich quick. Crypto pumps. TikTok gurus. Secret strategies. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably funds someone else's lifestyle. Mistake 2. Timing the market. People try to buy low and sell high. Even professionals fail at this consistently. Mistake 3. Investing money they need soon. Markets go down. Panic sells destroy beginners. Real story. In 2020, many sold stocks at the bottom. In 2021, the market exploded. They missed the gains. Most beginners lose money not because of markets, but because of emotions. Safe start. Beginner blueprint. Here's the simplest safe path. Keycap 1. Build an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keycap 2. Start with index funds. S&P 500. Total market ETFs. Keycap 3. Invest automatically every month. Keycap 4. Ignore daily market noise. Keycap 5. Think in decades, not days. You don't need to be a genius. You need consistency. The biggest scam is believing investing is only for rich people. That belief keeps you poor. If this video has become a cold shower for you and may have saved you from a fatal mistake, like it. This will help the algorithms show the video to other newcomers so that they don't break the firewood. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Here we instill common sense and treat financial illusions. Save your money, friends. See you in the next video.